Hello transformation. Are you guys excited for this new hair tutorial video? In today's video, I'm going to show you guys a baddie on a budget. If you guys looking for something very easily, you can do a quick weave, you can do clip-ins with, and also this nice closure, and you won't believe what it is. So if you guys want to see what kind of hair I'm using in today's video, stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe, and let's get into the video. Okay guys, in today's video I'm going to be using the Janet Collection Melt 5x5 lace closure body wave in the color natural 12-inch and Bobbi Boss CORE 10, 12, and 14 in the color TP427. So this is synthetic hair. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to soak in the apple cider vinegar because your girl is not good with synthetic. I am allergic. So this is something quick that I want to do. And I said, let me just try it. So this is a new hairstyle that just came out that we just got in our hair store. So I said, let me just try it. And I thought it was a blend, but it is 100% synthetic. So I'm just going to let it soak so you guys can see. So I'm just pushing it down and I'm just soaking the apple cider vinegar so I won't be itching. So I don't want y'all to say, well, you say you're not allergic. I am. So I'm going to use this cap here. It's $3.99 and I'm going to use my Eben glue. I'm going to start with a 10-inch bundle. So it was a little damp, but I still going to make it work. So I did put the glue on. Now when I did put this glue on, you guys, I want y'all to see my mistake because I was supposed to let it dry and get tacky, and however it was not sticking. So you guys see I'm pressing down so hard and looking, and it's not sticking to the cap. I haven't made a wig in so long. I probably haven't made a wig since maybe 2017, 2018, or 2020. It's been that long. So but I finally got it. So this is how it looks now, you guys. So I love how the body wave in the color. So I am using the 5x5 closure and I'm pulling it off because it was hard because I had glued it on the mannequin, so I done messed up my canvas head. So y'all guys see that it went through. I should have got a shower cap and I forgot. So yes, I forgot. So you guys can see the inside of the lace, excuse me, inside the cap. So I'm going to cut the excess, which is inside of the cap, around the lace closure. Because I kind of remember, I don't remember a lot, but I remember some things that I do remember. So I'm cutting the inside of that. I just feel like a newbie of doing these wigs. I got to get back into doing them. And yeah, I just felt like this was right, and I felt like I knew what I was doing a little bit. So we have the wig. So this is how it looks on me. I know, scary, right? So we're going to fix it. So I finally did. And you guys look at the closure. It looks really good. So I had to pull it down. Just give you guys an idea how the hair looks. So I did use a human closure at the top and the rest is synthetic in the back. So that's what I did, and the curls were a little tight. I did use a one curl. I don't have a curling iron, the big barrel. I don't have that. So I'm just using what I do have is the one curl. So I'm trying to just perfect the curl, kind of trying to loosen it back up so it can blend in with the body wave, because it was looking a little straight. So I said, you know, let me just try to perfect it a little bit. So yeah, and I know the lace, I'm going to fix it, you know. I'm just trying to perfect the top of the wig, and I'm trying to see, should I cut it a little bit more? So I did. You know me, your girl had to cut So I did cut a little bit. So I was trying to cut at an angle so it can fall. So I'm gonna cut a little bit more because at the ends, you know how it kind of look, I don't want to say raggedy, but kind of dry looking too as well. And I didn't spray so much leave-in, kind of soak it up. And when you do get this hair as well, you guys, in the package, I don't know, I think it was just this color, but it was shedding a lot. So it probably shed about 3 or 4 times when I kept running my finger through it before I placed it on the mannequin head. But it was fine because I'm just trying to wear something, you know, a little short. I'm just trying to get a feel of it and see if I like this hair. Because I was going to get it straight, like really long. But I'm like, no, let me see how I like it first. So I love how this looks so far. It don't look synthetic. It don't look shiny. It don't look plastic. It do look like it is Brazilian hair. But it do have a little shine. And I did use a little bit of dry shampoo. And I think I did good, you guys. I perfected the style. I got it how I want it. And I did get a little color. So I did like this look a lot. So I'm going to turn around so you guys can see the back. I'm sorry that I didn't comb the back. So, but it's gonna be right. You guys gonna see. So I'm using the Body Wave 5x5 closure, 12-inch natural, and then this is the style that I wore. They show you can wear reverse, flipped, short, long, and then those are the other styles that it comes in. So we're gonna see how this bad boy works, and I hope you guys did enjoy my tutorial of this. So these are all the styles: ocean wave, water wave, deep wave, and straight, and body. So this is the final look. So I did go back over my units. I used the hot comb and I used a little bit of makeup in the parting space, and it looks really good. It looks very natural, blends with the closure. So ladies, if you do get a colored closure, I'm sorry, I keep forgetting to comb the back. I will. Just get you a natural or a black closure, depends on the color that you're getting, and I promise you it will blend in. But so far I do love the hair. This is Bobbi Boss CORE, and I've been seeing the reviews on it. So this is it, guys. I hope you guys did enjoy. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. If you guys want me to do another tutorial, I will. So if you guys want me to do a different style, I definitely will. And I think this would be a great outlook for everyone that's on a budget right now. And it works out for me. So it works out for anyone. So don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one. So comment down below, which style would you guys like to do next? Water wave, ocean wave, straight, or deep? I'll see you guys in the next video. Ciao. Oh, and don't forget to vote for me for Sephora.